People's Club bụ ndị ezigbo omume.
My name is Ogbuefi Princewell Okechukwu. I am the chairman, Zedman Global Network, Central Berhad, Malaysia. And I'm also the Igbo Union leader in this country. I'm married to a Malaysian. I have a son. I have been in this country for over 10 years. Actually, over the years, from my experience, there are different organizations that are in this country, but I don't belong to any organization apart from Ndigbo, because I have viewed what is happening in this country. Literally, I has been in this country enough to know so many things. None of these organizations or associations or groups is making an impact, especially in the Igbo community. It's more or less of few people, they gather together just to take care of themselves. But an average Igbo in this country, there is no association or group that would be able to take care of him in times of problem. And that's why we are just like, do I call it sheep without shepherd? So a lot of things has happened. Let me say, we have made a lot of mistakes. Now this is time to correct it. And with my experience over the years, I know I can contribute. And that's what led to the formation of Igbo Union. Strictly for the Igbos in this country, Malaysia.
Okay.
And I'm ready for the challenge.
Okay, thank you. We are aware that one of the Igbo brothers is late, unfortunately, and he has also been in Malaysia for quite some time now. And we want to know that today is his wake keeping and sent forth to send his body back home.
This is a collective effort. Within a short space of time, we were able, I with the executives, to gather all the Igbos together. At least, if for one thing, to give our brother that sense of belonging, even though he is dead. He's popularly known here as IG. He is now literally the uniting force that brought all the Igbos together. Nobody will claim that if it is not because of him, what we have achieved and what we are going to achieve, it's not a personal effort, it's a collective one. The guy in question, I know him one-on-one because I have sit down with him. When he's going through some medical challenge, he's having some health issues. So when it came to my notice, I sat one-on-one with him and encouraged him to go and get a proper treatment. Before then, he has been going to all this pharmacy, clinic, or whatever. I'm the one who motivated him to go and seek medical attention in government hospital. And he listened to me, but unfortunately, the way I put it and how God wanted it, he didn't survive. So it is very painful to me. And that's one of the things and vision and type of problems we know that will arise from time to time. Now, we want to face reality. These are the problems. A lot of people do come to my office here to lay complaints. I can literally solve the little ones which I can be able to handle. But the collective effort, first time, we're able to come together. For our brother. And the message we have been spreading over a period of time is the message of love. Please forgive your brothers. Anyone that have offended you. Personally, even the ones I have offended. Please, let's come together and unite. Nobody is perfect. But with collective effort, we can make impact in the land. Because I have been in this country for over the years that I literally know one or two things, how we can fit into the system. Thank you.
People's Club, People's Club,
Sammy.
Wind down. Madam is. Okay, to the lobby. Go park and go to the lobby. To the lobby, yeah? You don't finish? Okay. Park and go to the lobby.
Princess, how are you?
Princess.
President People's Club on your money. Thank you, ayabaya mo ya ayaba GBC chubuka bukala na tenyelu ngobu ni sono dadi bona naraga areno konkwa gafumanyano ebu chamano no netanika ato konkwa kumanya ato ritaso onye ndidi n'eliazu onye mmanụ otorokwa n'ike n'ike n'ezie na ọ bago ya aka FABC nwa nkwọ gafụ anya the tallest man ọgwafụ anya ọsọ ọbịa ụwa na imperial photos Iko Ojukwu n'ọkwa National Secretary People's Club
one person I put on top of here web. So and one other person. This is our daughter. I press her daughter because
son of this one. Ezi nwaro kwa kumanya kubonya bangwana People's princess in this the very only Oliver Windows the kumanya kubonya umboji Onu de Onye malangisi na kwa duse kenge National legal advisor sono mwako zubi Adi kenke mi mwako zubi na kwa iga tukwa mi zeka kwa nitwa mi zeka idige juju mi zeni kwa yamalo kenge jitu ni Osiri mwako zubi mwanyota nibia oma kachie Aya Anyagoro no sabi Ogbuefi na nyelgoni sonu nwa fada deni dani mano Ogosi mu ilo dibe People's mayor is your one. Everyone, Maroka, Fumana. When your man knows the one is Samuel, Malaysia, Fumana. My child on it, you can't get in as you do yourself. One is when you got Fumana. Michael Abalade, one name in it. DK Jaka, Onyamanangi Jaka, I can make it again. Power Michael, Onyama.
So how has today's activity been from the hospital now going for the final rites in the mosque before we proceed for the weight keeping so far?
Yeah, as you can see, we just left the hospital after seeing the cup. The funeral home is bringing the cup to the mosque. So we, the Igbo Union, is coming to the mosque to give him the final farewell. to Igbo land. And as you can see, all our members, we are on convoys, different cars. Since morning, all of us, somebody like me, have not eaten since morning. So we are doing the little we can at this moment to honor our brother. And we are talking about coming together to do things. The locals is able to see that we are here for our brother, the wife, the family. Everybody appreciate that we are here for our brother, and it is a bonus to who we are. And if we can be this from here on, I think a lot of things will happen within our community. Thank you.
People's Club, Igiliga Adamu Bonayo, Igiliga Adamu Bonayo, Kosiadio, Igiliga Adamu Bonayo. Una Bugona, People's Club, Bonazula. Una Bugona, People's Club, Bonazula. Otu bulu mmadụ bebananya, otu kwesịrị nṅomi. Otu bulu mmadụ bebananya, otu kwesịrị nṅomi. Igbo's Club dị so, Igbo's Club bodogwu, Igbo's Club pụlite. Chukwu gọzie unu niile n'ofu ụmụ Naịjirịa. Igbo's Club, oh, Lulelo. Okay. Oyima one of Anishi, National President. Oyoma Nichizule Chizo. President Yumezo, National President. No mani lulelo. Ichizule Chizule Noah. Oyima one of Anishi Ndigbo. Ojoku ike kanko, makane delo wa. Onyo meje temba, eze chuko oge tikini pese. Aru eno konko, eze wachine melo, odowo weke madula ruo. Ebe bisi wampo, aru edoresman. Osojo wano kunota, osojo wano kunota. Onye ọbụla afụghị ya na ndị mara most ndị isi ya na onye ọbụla nwere ọfịs nke ya so ị ga-recognize ya ebe ọbụla ebuji ya ụmụ onye isi ebe a ị ga-eche ọbịa ị recognize ọfịs ya so all process a ka a na-agaji anyị ndị Igbo enwere isi eme our things if how many hours just iji bupụta ozu tie ozu na ahịa abụpụ ya ka anyị nide to God ụbọchị half day so ebupụ ya ji ebe a na oge gbugbo obere oge if na adị busy enwere ihe a na-eme adị busy a na-agbagharị but I na-eme things arrange. It can only affect what we are doing in Banda Putri. You put on your cassette, cut warrior spaces. Right?
Definitely.
Man, it's very easy that now Hemeta here back at that. Eguga neighbor straight from here now. It's here now.
Take picture.
Take out your shoe. Take out your shoe.
Can wear shoe.
No, no use flash. No, no flash.
No, the money I have. You have you show one good and play one good.
Thank you.
Just touch him. Just touch.
Going to Jeddah, you know this? Okay. Second flight Jeddah to Lagos, SW 977. This is 3 PM is Malaysia time. This everything is the Lagos Nigerian time 7:10 and 5:30.
Let me move this chair.
If arrival to Jeddah, Lagos is 9:30. Okay. You can go like you say the 9:30, but it's landing, everything is the time now. Yeah.
No.
This is I get it.
You scan one. No problem. You know why we are doing this? Because this is a new way.
Yeah.
People in Nigeria want to see.
For this one, we are going with I give you.
This is what we are right. Thank you very much.
The original document and passport you can connect to Lagos. The Obina.
Yeah, yeah.
20 can connect to Lagos. Okay? Everything document is there.
Everything.
You give protected one copy. Yeah. Protected. Give protected.
Okay, yeah. Where can do?
Just use the phone to take the picture. Use phone to take picture.
can print.
Since morning, I be since afternoon. Now video I do, no be photo. No be taking picture. Nah, recording. You say no they eat anything.
Wana yosikwa oya nwaye ke kwa nwunye IG na nwa ya ume gbakwazi ezinụlọ ya na Nigeria ume anyị nwa bụ ndị ọyị ya onwere ndị nne ya dị ka ejima papa gba onye ọbụla umere n'aha Jizọs. Wana yosikwa na wetubiri nke anyị na-eme bụ ugwu ikpeazụ ka anyị na-akwanyere ya. Okay. A minute silence. Kambulo bi IG, kambulo bi nna kwa ngala ka. Kambulo bi asulika na tukwa.
Joe Terry. was on the cover of the match programme today. Followed by Chelsea for 3 match interview.
Oh, here. Any place of the hand to get it now. If I want to go with you, more can go ahead and the whole here. Now this program I know there, and I come out on here.
No thanks.
I hope I'm because I had so in here. Joyce Jubu, Edre Maham, Edre phone number, Edre my position. How much did the post take that? For you to know that now, it's just that if we put ourselves together,
Yes.
and we have a hatchel, Konyaga US, Konyaga confirm we have and that's the reason why we just I finish here idea. I just for only in there can develop each other.
Yes.
A matter of years. No, I Jeffrey. This has been confirmed. Bam. I can win lawyer guy.
He say.
What also be kwa? Because I'm the man and make here. Only owner. Ndini ne so we got today. Genuinely Nigeria today. How much one or two things. For the first time, Ndigbo jikon up. Don't open a Saddam hospital, need another place. Even Ndigbo. Or the possible 19 idea like this, no for our brother. This is what we want to achieve. Apart from Ndigbo man, can join create your own Nigeria no matter. And one has the game on there. But as long as but one thing to the in a one way association or club or whatever on there, get almost 20,000 ringgit within the space of 5 days. Which the donation individual highest is 1,000. Again, they won't ringgit. I want to eat the shot and then they can hand them a key here again. This moody girl, I'm going to go to bed. But someone is cool as that, walk up with us. Igbo, you know, and they go and you see, we have been living all alone, or individuals. And over the years, I have gone that is it. Over 20 years, I know. Now, let's go into the second stage of our life in this country. Let's come together. If you say, hey, you know what achieve, go to Igbo Union, Malaysia, Facebook. Nini na fueba. Iche kichaya. One guy never come this Norway. He didn't have a baby. He didn't check here. Na calculate here. Na calculate here. Since Igbo go down, if one of they had before. And one not happy today. Can was soon. We IG more room where there be SCs like that. You want check that now not in Aka. I won't wear that no problem. Now today we are sacrificing it for IG. Or they very happy. So we are moving forward. Yeah, this is now for the wakekeeping. Automatic to mayor. I never go the basic thing. I have to walk flight, everything. You need our cash. And we are able to follow everything. With this spirit, I continue. I know it just matter within the next 1 year, before next year, if we have a lot of changes. IG will always go, IG always go, but the uniting force that is home and I will for us to come together. I will not holiday program, maybe after 10 years or not together. I will go see him again. Okay, we will not believe that now what happened now, not the possible will die because of people die today. We are today. We organize so today, I don't know what to worry. Food that can people want to get so then I better not what to worry. So then the question is that where are his friends? Go have and I did be watch our phone. It's short. Nobody said general number. That is the reality. But for yourself, I don't know. You hear a woman maybe don't know him more personally. Because of our call, and then do not fear. no fungro da kibra ibrozu eruzechi enwonye obodo efre na jara ya zo na enegi o unu ginwa ka gini ya dị na mgbakọ gini ka gini ya enyewu obahuru na. So those stories we want to correct it. Let's work together. Most of the people here my protection more than at all. Only not protect or protect you know we. But no more so kuna. Only cannot protect it. And since almost 1 week, you get that 9 up here. One more kill this story in the Corona, this banda put it. And when they come different places, Ogbuefi, banda put it in car organ. Someone got a Quazina. Oh, we but I are correct here. Now, one now, for the first time, one woman knock at that. Nini na be office mi so la but inyem card agarange all na me set login office set login office e we club no na e because over the years I'm waiting there because 98% of ndi Igbo no obodo akita na efumo hoso no obodo so I'm nini but ndi from club and nini I'm ha take na bia club ana emewo onye obuna ji awo side here but the challenge we must accept to be the leader is a woman take care of Ndigbo obodo and we keep that no one meheni na dem onobna anawa but when was the problem and 1 year and that's why we are suffering then ndị feel that na how power mic I join them together na harass ndị na power mic don't worry Ogbuefi apụtago ngwa o setiene ede ekwere number m ọkwa number m ji sisi mbiro obodo ndị ekeji ya kita onye ahụ power mic ya je ka fojete nke ya kwuo nke ọ na-emekarịcha na Malaysia ama ko mi henje so ekwa so kai were this spirit anyị ji wee je ihe niile anyị na-eje today Ogbuefi